The recently released Human Rights World Report 2015 has described PNG as a dangerous place in the world for women to live in. The report highlighted abuses that arose around wife-bashing, gender inequality, discrimination, corruption, and excessive use of force by police. The report also points out human rights issues surrounding asylum seekers processing and violence in detention facilities in Manus Province. It elaborates on sorcery deaths and related violence that continue to put PNG down the rank in terms of human rights. The report stated that perpetrators of violence against women and children are rarely prosecuted and access to courts, legal services, and police are narrow. But Chief Justice Salamo Injia says the courts addresses human rights issues, violence against women and children seriously when it ends up in courts.
The courts have their own programs for addressing violence against women. Not only violence against women, but some of the people under disability, like children. We have our own programs. There are some legislations that are in place that the courts implement with the assistance of the police force. So we're addressing those issues as and when required, because there are already some legislations in place. But I cannot comment on whether those legislations are effective in addressing those issues, but when matters do end up in court, we take them seriously.
He says since 2008, the judiciary is expanding out to provinces to make sure people have access to legal services. The Chief Justice says in 2017, the judiciary will open a new branch in Northern Province with preferences for Western and Manus provinces on the list.
And we are trying to bring services, judicial services, of both the higher and the lower courts to the people.
Quinten Alomp, National EMTV News.